jail, she'll be by your side. But it doesn't realize it hurts her so much. But all the prayer just ain't helping it now, 'cause she can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body lay cold in the gutter. Listen to me, yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way, nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday with too many stars. I come and gone, leaving a trace on that one God-given rays. It because my life is 10 shades of gray. Pray I'll tend to fade away. Seldom praise him for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew. I bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies that dry the tears from my eyes, numb my lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's so brave or too keen to tell your own thing? What a shame, shooting aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane, need this day and time before the brain. The ground will say the system, get your into your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations, hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me. And don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.